cutie, I'm call me Black Rainbow and you can call me Black Rainbow. Last time I already shared with you about the shouldn't we put our bad work online? Actually we can, right? So it is better you watch last time the video and after that you can watch this video so that you will know what I want to share with you today. Some of cutie they put their work online but they get attacks or criticisms from others. That situation let them feel so bad or disappointed. Do you have the problem? If yes, please comment below and share with me what's wrong with you. So today I want to tell you how to face those attacks or criticism from others on the internet. So you have to finish this video so that you will know how to deal with this problem. And if you are the first time to watch my video, of course I have to tell you, my channel is talking about the anime drawing and drawing tutorials. So if you are the person like animation or comic and you like to draw, of course you have to subscribe my channel and open the bell so that if my new video release, you will get a reminder and learn the knowledge, the skills and techniques and conceptions of drawing. Okay, so let's talk this issue. Before we face attacks and criticism, I think we have to know what the people want to tell us first. Criticism doesn't make any sense logically, but why people still like to criticize? As a human, we prefer comfort than truth. That's why we need to judge every single thing so that we feel happy and realize that we survive actually. So by judging those kind of things, we will feel everything is fine. There are two kinds of results of judgment, fact and opinions. And fact is description of things we observe. Just like yesterday, Peter had salad for lunch. That is fact. And fact is objective. About opinions, opinions is just like a fact with your thoughts, your point of view, your feeling like that. Just like Hello Kitty is so ugly. Hello Kitty is so ugly is your feeling. So opinions is subjective. That is the difference between fact and opinions. Criticism is based on fact. But you may say, oh well, but criticism usually comes from people's opinions, right? Yes. But why people want to give you this criticism? Because their preference, their family, their education, their environment, sometimes even their psychological things. So they give you their opinions like that. But actually, the criticism is based on the fact you're painting. So before we feel angry because people attacked us or criticize our work, I think we have to think what the things they want to tell us behind these judgments so that we will know, okay, this person attacked me or this person just criticized my work. And because of this, we will know how to face those kind of things. And about attacked, if you get attacked from others, sometimes people attack your work not because your work is bad, just because they had bad things before, but they need to let off the steam, so they need to attack your work to make them feel better. And sometimes people attack your work because they feel they are better than you. If like that, we need to sympathize those kind of person because they need to use this way to hurt people to make them feel better. I don't think that is a good person. So if you get the feedback like that, you don't need to feel sad. You just need to sympathize them and ignore their feedback. Because if you ignore their feedback, of course they cannot do anything with you. So that is a good way to reply those kind of feedback. If you get the criticism from others on the internet, I know that this feels so bad, but remember, their criticize is for your work, it's not for you. Sometimes I will see the cuties like this. Okay, I quit. Yes, I just not good at painting. Okay, I give up. Like that. But I have to tell you, that is not a good attitude to do what you love. They criticize your work, but they don't criticize you. So you still can improve yourself, the skill can be better and better, so that you can make a good painting in the future. That's why I need you to separate your work and you, so that you will get clear thought to face the criticize from others. And sometimes I know some of cutie will get the criticism like that. You are not good at painting. You don't know how to paint. You can't paint. I know that it feels so bad. If you are the person is good at painting, of course, the criticism just like attacked. But if you are the beginner to learn to draw, of course, you have to take this criticism and accept it. Why? Because it is fact. Because your work is not mature. Because your work is not enough. Even yourself know your work is not good enough, right? So if like that, you have to accept the criticism and tell yourself, okay, I know I'm not good enough now, but I can improve my skill to be better and better. So sometimes the criticism is not just hurt ourselves. It can help ourselves to be better and make us stronger and make our work to be better. So criticisms are not all the bad thing to us. Sometimes it's good energy to us to be better and improve ourselves. Skills can be better. Next, we can take a look some examples so that you will know how to face the attack and criticism. Okay, let's go.
The first example is ugly work. I don't understand and I don't like it. If like this, I think it's half attack, half criticism. Yes, they don't like your work, but it sounds they are annoying. Yes, so that is their feeling. We just need to respect their feeling and their preference. We don't need to refute or reply too much. And the second is such a bad work. Go back to practice it. If like this, it is attack because it sounds they are not polite and so rude. So if someone speaks like this, of course, we just ignore them. We don't need to spend our time or our life on such person. The third, the picture is dirty and the colors are messy. If like this, of course, it is criticism. If your purpose is that you want to make people feel your picture is dirty or your picture is messy, of course, it is okay. You do like this. But if you want to make a clean picture, but people feel it is dirty and messy, of course you have to think. Maybe you need to learn more chromatics so that you will know how to use the color to make the picture you want to present. The fourth, is it a dog? It is not like that. It is criticism. If you want to draw a dog, but people feel that is not a dog, you have to consider, do you want to draw a realistic dog or not? If not, you just draw what you want to draw. But if you want to draw a realistic dog, of course, it is better you understand the structure of dog. So that next time, if you want to draw a dog, you will know how to draw it to be realistic. 5. The figure looks unnatural. If like this, of course, it is criticism, because they criticize your work, not you. So it is okay if they criticize your work. And in here, if you want to make your drawing to be better, it is better you understand the structure of figure. So that if you draw the figure picture next time, people will feel, it is look like come from the real picture. The 6th, you can't draw. If like this, of course, it is attack. If like this, you better sing a song to them like this. If I believe I can do anything, I can move mountain, I can move mountain, yeah, yeah. In here, we don't need to feel sad. If you want to ignore it, just ignore it and practice drawing all the time and make your drawing to be better. And the last one is not complete enough. If like this, it is criticism because the viewers are used to seeing the complete work. But sometimes maybe you just want to practice it, so you just practice drawing and put your work on the internet. It is okay, it's not right or wrong. So in here, if you want to complete it, you just complete it. But if you don't, you just do what you want. It is okay because creation doesn't have to be anything. So you just need to complete the part you want to express.
Now you already know how to face the criticism and attack on the internet, right? But I still want to share something with you. As a creator, I know you are sensitive and you are easy to pay attention to others' view than yourself. But I still have to tell you, please don't build your confidence on others' point of view because it is unstable and it is very dangerous. Because people can change just like that. So you have to build your confidence under your control. It will be stable and it will make you not easy to get hurt or to be sad or to be disappointed just because others' point of view. And it will make you not easy to give up just because others attacked. If like that, people can change you or people can stop you pursuing what you love. And never treat reviewers as enemies because everyone has their preference. They have right to like this, they have right don't like that. They have right to tell you how they feel. They have right to tell you what is their opinion and what is their point of view. Of course, you have your right to draw something ugly, something messy, and you also have your right don't satisfy their point of view or their preference, right? So we just need to respect each other. It's okay. And I know sometimes it feels so bad if we get the criticism we don't want to accept. But if that is fact, of course we just need to accept and keep this criticism in our mind to tell ourselves, okay, I'm not good enough. I want to make myself to be better and better so that I can improve my drawing skill and to draw a good painting. If like that, it's good. So sometimes criticism is really useful to us. Okay, so today the issue is like this. Next video, I will tell you how to choose the advice from others or how to choose the suggestion from others so that we can get the advice and suggestion to make our painting better and better and better. So if you don't want to miss that video, you have to subscribe my channel and open the bell so that my next video release, you will get the reminder. And if you think today the issue is really useful to you and you think it is good for others, please share to your friends so that they will get the issue and know okay how they can face the attack and criticism on the internet. If you have any question, please comment below. Let me know what the problem with you when you are drawing. Maybe I will make a video in the future to reply your good question. In the end, let me bring a little color to your life and don't forget to bring your color to others' life.